Dear people, your subconscious mind is like a huge memory bank. It permanently stores everything that ever happens to you, and its capacity is virtually unlimited. The conscious mind can be described as whatever you are currently aware of, what you are feeling, doing, seeing, touching, experiencing. You are conscious of it or aware of it.
Your brain is the ultimate supercomputer, processing 2 to 11 million pieces of information, not every day, not every hour, not every minute, but every single second. That's between 10 to 50 million pieces of information in just the time you've been watching this video. But here's the kicker, you're only conscious of about 40 of those 2 to 11 million pieces of information a second. So what the heck, that doesn't really add up. You're right. It's because the other 90% is not coming from the conscious mind, which you're listening to this video on right now. It's coming from your subconscious mind.
Consciousness doesn't involve stored information. It is what is happening now. It does involve thinking and making decisions. It is easy to control your conscious mind because you are able to use it to make choices. In contrast, your subconscious mind is always working in the background, but you are not necessarily aware of it. Sometimes, called the unconscious mind, your subconscious mind contains all of the stored information of everything you have ever experienced. Because of this, it influences how you react to things, such as why you are shy, lazy, eat too much, or have an addiction. On the positive side, your subconscious mind also affects things like why you are motivated, confident, successful, cheerful, hopeful, and so on. The key is using your consciousness to positively influence your subconscious thoughts. Learning how to use two together is a powerful tool. Every moment that you are awake, your 5 senses are taking in a constant stream of information. These experiences are stored as memories, like a computer stores data, but we do not need to actively recall most of this information. In fact, we probably forget 95 to 99% of our daily activities. Since your subconscious mind has such a great amount of control over your positive and negative behaviors, the key is to train your brain to produce more positive behaviors. This is where your conscious mind comes in. You can use your consciousness to reprogram or retrain your subconscious mind to do things that are more beneficial to you and for your future. All of your habits of thinking and acting are stored in your subconscious mind. It has memorized all your comfort zones and it works to keep you in them. This is why it's so important to make writing SMART goals a regular habit. Over time, staying productive and focusing on all of your goals will become part of your comfort zone. Your subconscious mind is subjective. It doesn't think or reason independently. It merely obeys the commands it receives from your conscious mind. Just as your conscious mind can be thought of as the gardener planting seeds, your subconscious mind can be thought of as the garden or fertile soil in which the seeds germinate and grow. This is why harnessing the power of positive thinking is important to the foundation of your entire thought process. Your conscious mind commands and your subconscious mind obeys. Remember it. Consciously choose to feed your subconscious with positive, empowering thoughts. For those looking to expand their realm of comfort zones, I highly recommend considering the habits of successful people, as they are the pattern commonly adopted by the minds of great leaders and thinkers. Unlocking the power of these behaviors will put you one step closer to being able to make the same things happen in your life. Numbering your priorities on your to-do list and completing your most important task first. Thank you so much.